G'day guys, Glenn here. Just wanted to say that a fair few of you know I had my van in for a bit of warranty work. Linc up in Brisbane has been looking after the van up in Brisbane. We had a bit of wait to get it started, and once he got it up there to get started, he's had it turned around in no time at all. I'd like to thank Terry.
My pleasure, mate. My pleasure.
Good on you. And Chris, I'm here at Heatherbray. Heatherbray is where our van originally came from. We first saw it at the Newcastle show, and we ended up picking it up there after much discussions. We've had a great run with it. The warranty work has been fantastic. You hear all sorts of comments. We go the other way. We've got nothing but good things to say about it. And I'd like to say Steve personally fixed it for me with his drill. So thanks, Steve. Really appreciate that. No worries, oh, Glenn. Good on you, mate. So we're going to, this afternoon, escape with confidence. Thanks, Terry.